Tim over here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out here. It's finally gotten light. We've been out here since dark 30 working on this restaurant, and it's pretty dirty because it's been several months since we've done it. So just putting a nice little post treat. Had to get into the cage there, so I had to wait on the manager to come. But you know, I had a I had a carpet cleaning bid one time, and not too long ago, and the manager said, "Oh, our current people," that I think they were just encapsulating it, quite honestly. They guarantee, you know, to return in 6 months if, you know, and it's a hotel, if, you know, there's any stains or anything. And I was like, well, this is what I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you before I leave, somebody will have walked on the carpet, spilt something on the carpet, dropped something on the carpet. You know, that's what I can guarantee, because you've got 100 and something rooms, and you multiply that times 2 to 4 people, that's 500 or 600 people sitting in a hotel 24/7. So we got here and we did this this side, which was the dumpster side, now because I had to wait on there, and inside there was all the trash cans. Okay, so as you can see, there's no trash cans there now. They took trash cans out and getting ready for their day. But this right here was not there before the manager got here, because I'd already cleaned all this, washed it all out. It's all out here. I gotta continue to wash it down. There was a load of junk, leaves, food wrappers that came out of here. And this goes to show you, my surface cleaner hadn't even gotten out here. I still have my surface cleaner here, because when the manager got here, I went and did something else that needed to get done, so I wasn't in his way, and he'd get that cleaned out for me so I get in there. But they haven't even left the building. The machine is still running, and there's already trash on the concrete. So I can guarantee before I leave, somebody gonna spill something on it, or walk on it, or drive on it, or whatever. But you know, that's the things you can guarantee. You can guarantee your work as you're doing it, but you can't guarantee when you get done. There's very few things like that you can guarantee. I can guarantee a roof wash because I know how long it takes. I can guarantee a house wash because nobody's gonna walk on the siding unless they're Spider-Man. So you know, those type of things I can guarantee. Flat work, hard to guarantee flat work because somebody gonna drive on it. The danged people are gonna dump these and dump crap. Their things are gonna leak. You know, vendors are gonna have vehicles that's gonna leak. There's gonna be oil stains on this before I literally get out of this driveway. But that's what it is, and we're here taking care of some stuff, taking care of some awnings underneath with wasps, getting all this, tried to get this cleaned up as much as possible. A little extra stuff they wanted done this time, but we're getting out of here.